to see the good will of behold. It's our time of courage. It is a holiday.
Hey, let's go! Hey, they got your back. Let's go! Come on! Come on! Let's go! Let's go! Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Ready? We have to play with century football. We have to know what we're doing. We have to do our jobs. Every single person out there has to do their jobs in order to get the W today. You guys got me? You guys got me? You guys got me? Go. Hey, let's turn up on these boys. Let's have fun doing it. You guys got me? Let's get a break. Let's get a break. Hold on me. Hold on me. 1, 2, 3, hold. Shake hands, introduce yourself. All right, guys, everybody know each other now? We're going to let this hit the ground. Are you sure? It's tails. Very good. And what do you guys want to do? You want to receive. Which way do you guys want to kick?
This way.
Very well. You guys come over here, line up with me, shoulder to shoulder, facing the scoreboard. You guys are in good position right there. You both have won the toss. I'd like to keep it forward.
All y'all to play the same way, you understand? Everybody play like Will. We put everybody on the butts. Let's go, man. Dominate on 3. Loud and proud, baby. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Dominate! Hey, pick off. On the face. Stay in your lane. Buck, stay in your lane. Get there, get there. Defense. Hey, if you ain't defense, get out. Let's go.
Go! No, go!
Tackle! Hey, stay. Hey,
Let's go, Desire!
Get him!
Go, Diego! Go, Diego! Oh! Get in there! What the fuck? One!
Get him, Diego!
That's it!
Hey, who corners cannot go in.
Hey, let's go, Kyle. Backside.
Hit it. Let's go, Brandon. Take it to the house.
Go, Brandon, go! Go, Brandon! Go! Damn, it's a good pass. Go, Demetrius! Go! Go!
You're faster than us!
Go! Yes!
Sit. There we go.
Fuck somebody, Diego! Stop looking up. Let's go! Fuck three, man! Three!
Get out!
Get the ball! Get the ball! Get the ball! Go!
Oh my.
Block, Demetrius! Block! Let's go, Marty! Let's go! Go, Diego! Get it!
That's us.
Three! Go, Jelani!
Get ready.
Get him, Diego!
Get him! Strike that ball! Get that ball! Brandon! Let's go! Go! Ball start.
What's number one?
Go! Good job, Brandon. There you go. Good job, Noah. That should be it.
Give him that smoke. That's Ronnie.
Yep.
Run it. Stay. Good. Let's go. Good chase. What are you not blocking for? There you go, Will. Hit the hole. Perfect. Go, Steven. Go. Hold it. Yeah. Come on, Daddy. Come on. Let's go.
Oh, that was supposed to hurt.
Reset. Hey, real motion to play. Real motion. Hey, Garty, do that. Go, Dimitri.
How is that not false start?
Hustle. Get set, Dimitri. Get set. Let's go. Hold it. Block, Steven. Block. Hit it. There it is. Keep going. Make sure you block, 13. Let's go. Right. Help! Come on, more. There it is. Help! Outside! Yes, go! Go, Dimitri! There you go, Diego! Let's go, baby! Do it again! Go! Jameer! Hold it! Go! There we go. Back! There we go, Buck. Bro, Jameer shouldn't be out there, bro. I know, but go! Good job, Robert! Fourth down! There we go, Arbo! Oh, Brandon! Out! There we go! Let's go! Nice. It's there! It's okay! Who put you in? Good job, Maya! Wait. Diego, yeah, go ahead. Hey, block. Diego. Block. Go. Oh, that's you. Let's go.
Run up!
What the fuck was that?
Q, hurry up, Q. Come on, come on. Go, go. Help, 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 help. There you go, Robert. Get that ball. Get that ball, get that ball.
Stop him!
Easy. Watch your side. They're not running to the side, Diego. Come on, get here. They gotta set his ass up. They're catching the referee. Hurry up! Knock that ball out.
Scoot in more, Diego.
What's everybody doing on the floor? Oh, I got 5 boys on the floor.
But you gotta take it. You gotta take it. You understand? Let this process overnight. 48 hours and another couple of days. Let this stuff feel like, oh, it was just a game. You're 8 years old. How old? 8. Man, this is part of it. Let this better be happy tears. It's football. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Hey, man, give yourself a run in the applause. Man, it is what it is. Hey, we're happy. The parents better be happy. You understand? Hey, look at your brother. Say, I love y'all.
I love y'all.
Say, I got your back. That's part of football, baby. It's all good. Hey, that's all good. Come back in the blue and gold next year. Do you understand? This is it, man. Have fun.
Hey, boys. Hey, we win as a team, we lose as a team, all right?
What time do you guys score?
Hey, let's go. Hey, hold your heads up, boys. Hey, we're still gonna have more football to come. It's not gonna be tackled, but we're still gonna have more football to come. All right, shake it off. Short-term memories. We're gonna continue growing. If you're gonna come back right with us, we're gonna continue working in off season. And we got 7-on-7s coming up, 5-on-5, all that good stuff coming up. All right. We still got a lot of football coming.
Hey, we have a good team. Our second level players got challenged today. And our guys that were the starters had to play all game. So it is what it is. We got a good team. Hold your head up high. This guy works his ass off every single day for football because he loves it, right? So hey, come back and roll with him if you guys are going to play. Let's go have some fun, dude. Hold your heads up high. Okay? We got a banquet to do and crazier shit's happen, okay? Let's go. All right, let's break it in on him though. Huh?
All right, we're still gonna have a party. You guys are still gonna get your trophies. Still gonna do it all up. All right. We're gonna have a day of fun. We're gonna get back together as a squad. We're gonna do our banquet. We'll have another fun day together. All right. Save these tears. All right. There's no need for tears. You win some, you lose some. All right. Hey, if you guys been riding with me, you guys have way more wins than losses. All right. These losses suck, but it is what it is. Hey, we won more and won more championship than we lost. All right. This is part of the game, part of the learning process. All right. So that's what. Hey, take what we learned today. We gotta grow from it. All those little mistakes, they add up to an L. Every single little mistake today added up to an L. That's why I told you guys, I always tell you guys every single time, the team that makes less mistakes is the team that's going to win. If you want to sit here and make your mental mistakes, not paying attention, not locked in, this is what's going to happen. All right? Hey, we're not taking an L. We're taking. We're going to learn from this, boys.
Real quick.
Nobody loves this feeling. Nobody wants to ride out like this. We're supposed to set out and finish in the cue ball. All right? Now the cue ball is going to be lame as shit, and whoever TC plays, this is going to be a blowout. All right?
Could have been us.
That could have been us, but we got to keep riding. Let's grow. We got to get back to right in the off season, and we got some rebuilding to do. I know I'm gonna lose a few players. It is what it is. That's part of the game, just like in the NFL. All right, but we're gonna pick more up, and we're gonna continue riding. You guys got me? You guys got me?
Yeah!
All right, here we go. Hey, bolts on me. Bolts on 3. 1, 2, 3, bolts.